What is Z? Consider Z like your vibe coding board. Actually, Z is a code editor. So a code editor is a tool to write software. And Z, you run it on your desktop and it can read, edit your code files. And the great thing is that you can use AI with it. So Z is the other code editors. I like Z because it's really fast and it allows interacting with it smoothly without delay. And what makes the interest of Z is that there are some built-in functionalities, some built-in screens in it, panels. So for instance, you have the AI panel here, and this acts actually like a chat window with the AI agent that will communicate with the AI model to build your application. So it's in this window that you will see that you will write your prompts and see the response of the model, and also give authorization to modify files or run some code. And then you have below, you have a files panel. So this kind of panel allow you to access directly to the file of your project. So your project, imagine it like the folders that will host locally your application codes, and your application code is usually divided in several files. Then at the right, you have the screen that will allow to read the content of the file. For instance, here, main.py. So that you have some specificity. It's the visualization adapt as a function of the code, and you have also some collaboration possible. So here, in theory, you won't have to work much on that window, if ever, because the AI agent deals with everything. But for teaching purpose, this is still sometimes quite useful to check this. And sometimes for the worst bugs, for applications that are a bit more difficult to maintain, you need to check the code. Then on the right, you have the terminal panel. So this allows to execute functions, execute check, install things. So in these tutorials, you will have to use it a bit. And last but really not least, because it's really important, you have an integrated Git panel, which is great, that allow to access to the history of the project, the different records in the different time capsules in the time from the time machine. Consider Git as a time machine, and it also allows to check the difference and to commit the modification and go back to a previous version if the AI agent goes crazy.